Landing. So AI is a powerful new tool that's shaking up the AI software scene. If you're wondering whether it's the best AI software you've been waiting for, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about Landing.so AI, and by the end, you'll know exactly how it can revolutionize your digital marketing efforts. Make sure to stick around to the end, because there's a key feature that could save you hours every week. First off, Landing.so AI is designed to help businesses create high-converting landing pages in minutes. It combines AI with an intuitive design system that is both easy to use and effective. If you've been struggling with traditional landing page builders or need to boost conversion rates, this tool could be your game changer. The user interface is sleek and beginner-friendly, but don't let that fool you. It's packed with features that experienced marketers will love. Landing.so uses AI to generate optimized landing page content, making it not only fast to create pages, but also smart enough to enhance the content for higher conversion rates. This is especially beneficial for businesses looking to scale quickly without spending hours on manual design and content optimization. Next, Landing.so integrates seamlessly with various popular tools and CRMs. Whether you're using MailChimp, HubSpot, or Zapier, the integration process is simple and smooth. This ensures that all your marketing tools work together in harmony, saving you from having to juggle multiple platforms. It's a must-have feature for any serious marketer looking to streamline their workflow. One of the standout features of Landing.so is its AI-powered split testing capabilities. Unlike many other landing page builders, Landing.so automatically runs A/B tests on your pages, optimizing for the best performing elements. This saves you time and maximizes results without any additional effort. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the split testing process, this feature will definitely make your life easier. Another incredible feature is the built-in analytics. Landing.so AI tracks detailed metrics on how visitors are interacting with your landing pages. From click-through rates to bounce rates, you'll get actionable insights that can help you tweak and perfect your campaigns. For anyone serious about conversion optimization, this is an invaluable tool. Let's talk about the customization options. While the software is incredibly fast at generating landing pages, it doesn't limit your creative freedom. You have full control over the design, layout, and content. If you want to make changes, it's as simple as dragging and dropping elements. No coding required. For digital marketers or business owners who want to fine-tune their pages to reflect their brand identity, this is a massive benefit. Now here's the most exciting part. You can try Landing.so AI completely free through the first link in the description below. No need to commit to anything upfront. Just try it out and see how it works for your business. Whether you're just starting or already running a successful marketing campaign, Landing.so is a tool you can rely on to take your landing pages to the next level. In conclusion, Landing.so AI is a game changer for businesses looking to optimize their landing pages, improve conversions, and streamline their marketing efforts. Whether you're a small business or an enterprise, this software provides the tools you need to succeed without the steep learning curve. And don't forget, after trying thousands of AI tools, I've curated a list of the best AI software that you can try for free. So check out the links in the description to explore more options for boosting your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.